Hey, it's Barry from Rat Detecting. It has been a cracker of a hunt for me. Well, not so much for Leo. It's been pissing down the whole time we've been here. And I had to cut it a bit short because I thought I packed what I thought were good batteries, but they're not so good batteries. So had to cut it short, and Leo's laughing in the background. How many coins did you get, Leo? Nothing. I got a thrip. I tell a lie. I got 2 thrips, a shilling, and a Marine Corps collar badge. I'm very, very stoked. But damn, it's friggin' wet. Anyway, okay. Hope you have a good. Hope you liked the video, and happy hunting. This is a second small little cartridge. I think it's smaller than a 9mm. I'll put it in comparison next to the freaking big ass 45 that I got. There we are. That's how small it is compared to a 45. So I'll have to dig it up and see what it is. I just detected in this little spot within about a metre, and got another little thrip. Can you believe it? I love it, I love it, I love it. I don't know what it is. Let's have a look, let's have a look, let's have a look. I don't know. Whatever it is, it's nice, I love it. Oh, we got some seriously good infantry weather here, people. Oh, and guess what I got? Sweet! Ram's head shilling. Oh baby, oh baby, oh baby. Hey Leo, how many coins have you got so far?
No, is that your second?
That's my third.
Have to hurry up.
Yes. Oh sweet. That's 2 strips. And a shilling. There we are. Nice little razor, single a safety razor top. Yeah. Sweet mate, that's very well done. Wow, look at this.
And it's bloody rough.
And it's pissing down big time. Having a rip snorter of a night. Oop, there we are, nice little USMC friggin'. There we are. Oop, I think my friggin' nice little USMC collar. Oh baby. Hey Leo, how many bads have you found tonight? Oh sweet baby, good stuff. We are got a nice little dress buckle. It's a complete one too with the back. There we are. Sweet. Should hopefully clean up very, very nicely. There we are. Sweet. And now it's only spitting a little bit instead of pissing down. Oh baby, having a cracker of a night. Hey, this is Leo, and we're wet again. We're absolutely saturated. We've got his first silver. It's a
1927.
1927.
Yeah.
I'll take your word for it, mate. There we are.
I'm pretty sure it is.
1920s anyway. It's a nice little thrip. Bit worn, but hey.
Silver.
Silver is silver, mate.
Silver.
Anyway.
All right.